Anyway, the next one will be a 5-year-old girl. I think she's a prodigy. Miska Javier. Is she here? Miska?
I'll get a picture of you on the...
Where's Miska? Oh, there's Miska. Let's give her a big hand. She looks like a princess. What will you sing today?
Closer to the camera. Ayan. Yung makalagay, Father Norman 40th. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. There you go.
She will sing for us a song by Celine Dion, I Surrender. Here's Miska.
Better touch. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
I got it.
One more. One more.
To Miska. And she's requesting that please refrain from talking when she's performing.
There's so much life I've left to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think that I could find a way. Just stand for every dream and forsake the solid ground, and give up this fear within. What would happen if they ever knew I'm in love with you? 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you. I know you can feel it too. We make it through 1,000 dreams. I still believe. I make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender. Right now, I can't survive another night to wait from you. You're the reason I go on. Now I need to live the truth. Right now, there's no bedtime. When I spy, will be free. And I'll live again with love. I know they can't take that away from me. And they will say
Ka. Here, thank you. I'm the agent. Anyway, thank you, Miss Ka. I know some of you also sing, but it's only Miss Kim Papano. Hindi ka para sa Miss Ka. Who would like to be her agent? Please raise your hand.